Yo, 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 yo. Yo, what's good? What's good? This is Mr. Selfish 585. This is my first YouTube video, y'all. So, I need y'all to first thing first, hit that like button, subscribe, share the video to all your friends, tell a friend to tell a friend. But, yeah, man, this is my first YouTube video. Shout out to Ron Reviews 2.0. He let me in his live last night, and I was just in there chopping it up before everybody in that shit. So that was cool. That was cool. So yeah, I wasn't on his main channel. It was on like Through These Eyes. So I'll probably go live tonight. If the nigga drop the link. So but basically we're doing an unboxing today. It's a unboxing today. I got a package in from Foot Locker, and the bullshit is like I ordered these shoes on March the 3rd from Foot Locker, and I thought I'd probably get them like a week or so, but as soon as I placed the order, they sent me like some weird email talking about it's on back order, or like the shoes basically back ordered, and you're gonna get them in like 2 weeks. They should ship them in 2 weeks or so. But they said they're shipping in 2 weeks, or they cancel the order. So I was just like, it's kind of tight because I wanted these shits like right now, but I couldn't find them anywhere else locally. Anyways, I'm gonna let y'all know what it is in a minute. But they part of the Air Max Have a Nike Day pack. I feel like these is actually the best out of the pack. But these are the Air Max. I'm gonna say it. I'm gonna say it's an Air Max something. But I'm just gonna unbox it right now, and y'all gonna see. So look at this shit. Get rough with this shit. So it comes, I guess it comes with this paper. I guess if they sent me the wrong shit or something, I don't know. Okay, I guess Foot Locker put in something special in here. Okay. It says, save $25 on your next purchase of $125 or more. This is online only though. Some shit apply. Some styles excluded. So I'll take that. That's cool. Okay, we'll hit what y'all came to see. Air Max 97. Have a Nike Day. So let's take a look at it. Okay. Alright. Air Max 97. Have a Nike Day. So I'm gonna show y'all the shoe. This is actually my first pair of Air Max 97s too. I never had a pair of 97s. At least not yet. I got a couple pair of 95s. Just got a pair of 90s. So I'm probably gonna do a video on those too, but just want to show you I got them. I kind of like this little like medallion type jump off on the laces, like the Nike sign, smiling or whatever. Have a Nike Day all the way over. Some nice suede, and I seen a couple like girls with them, but like I feel like the men's size has been like not been available, at least not where I'm at. But I got them, so These just kind of straight though. I mean, I fuck with these. I feel like these is the best. These are the best out of the Air Max 90. No, it's the best out of the Have a Nike Day pack. Definitely the best out of Have a Nike Day pack. Because all the other ones be like, I don't know. It's all the same colors pretty much, but I mean, I feel like the colors are a little bit softer on these. And then, it's kind of like a spring, summer type shoe with the light colors. So I can definitely freak these, put on some probably like some light jeans. You can probably put like a purple polo this shade, something like that, or some shorts. You get some shorts, would be tough too. Okay. I mean, this is the other shoe, 360 with it. Now these the bottoms. So, but yeah, I mean, yeah, these is definitely official. I'm happy to finally have a pair of 97s in my collection. I got a couple pair of shoes. I mean, nothing like, I'm not like some of these other niggas on YouTube, cause they just be having like 100 pairs and all this shit. I'm like, I'm not that level yet. I don't got the space, honestly. I mean, I feel like I'm running out of space now. My closet pretty much full, and I'm starting to put these shits in like under the bed, different places, you know. But just some future stuff for the channel, I'm trying to do some pickup videos, uh, maybe some vlog videos if I go to like a store, show some like, copper drop type stuff. I don't know. Definitely some camping videos, cause I mean, for me, I feel like I'm from the old school. I mean, I don't camp. I'm not afraid to admit it, cause I mean that's the whole thing. I'd rather just pay retail than trying to go out here and just basically pay rate price. I really only really ever bought some shoes off of like over retail like one time, and it wasn't even, the shoe wasn't even that serious. They ended up restocking later, and I could have just waited. But like, I wanted that particular shoe at that particular time for that particular fit. So I mean, I'll make a video about that probably another time too. But I mean, yeah, we're gonna definitely do some story times, camps, and just showing the shoes and shit. So shout out to everybody who's just watching so far. I see that I got some new subs already before I even posted the video. Shout out to True Kicks, he's subbed up to me. A couple of my bros subbed up to me, so shout out to y'all. And then I'm just gonna try to be consistent with it, man. That's the whole key to the game, Consistency is key. So I mean, expect a video every couple days or so, or whenever I get some inspiration, or it's just whenever, because there's some couple pair of shoes I want that's coming up, April. I mean, this is like April. This is March 30, 2019. So I mean, pretty much in April, there's gonna be some shoes that's like on the horizon that I think I want to cop, but I keep telling myself I gotta chill and slow down with the kicks. But I mean, it really be like mad shit just coming out all the time. It's just like the releases is so crazy. Like, I don't know. I'm not too old, so I mean, back in the day they used to drop J's, but not like now. It's like every week it's just shit. But I mean, not lately, but I mean, it's just feel like you can always get shit. But with the advent of StockX and all these other sites, it make it easier to just kind of just hold off and wait on it. But I be wanting the stuff now a lot of the times. But I mean, the weather's starting to break, so it's gonna be time to get fly again, pretty much. Winter about over, but it's bipolar weather up here in New York. You never really know, but it's about to be a hot summer. It's coming up. But I'm just about to end the video right here. I need y'all to like, comment, subscribe to the video, and just, just wait for the next drop. Peace.